So this appears to be a 220 line running into here, and they had disconnected one side so that, I may not be reading this right. Let's see, we got a ground here and a ground there. We got these two wires right here. I don't know. I started to say it looked like a 220 that they turned into a 110, but actually the part that I can use is this plug box right here, and what I might do is just keep this box connected to it, mount that on the wall out there, and then just run a wire back in there to a new. I might could save that old plug in, but I don't know if I really want to, because with some major cleaning up it'd be possible, but I don't know, we'll see. Can't be too old because it's a three-hole plug instead of a two-hole plug, so we'll scope around with it and see what we think. Down at the house on the farm. So anyway, I connected a plug-in into the wire on this end of this, and all of this stuff was intact. It was just filthy, and all of this stuff in here was loose. I reconnected it in the right sort of way, if that makes any sense, and now we got light there, and we got light there. So this is workable, and I can put this cap back on that. I can pass this through the wall, bring it up and just plug it into that plug-in right there, go right through the wall. This wire will be outside, but it's very well insulated. It's like double insulated, and it'll only pass between these two buildings, so really nobody ever walks between these two buildings. And then I can put that box out there and plug into that box. I want to put a light like this one. I've got one, and I want to put it out there so that when I come around that corner I can reach up and hit the switch and have a light in there. That's the plan, and it'll help me get rid of this long drop cord that runs back there. It isn't necessary. And if I ever want to wire from that and continue on out somewhere back there, I can, but I doubt if I will. About all I need back there is a place to plug in a light and a battery tender for the tractor. So I guess I could finish this video by showing you this rather non-romantic looking wire that runs from here all the way over to back there. And then there's another wire that comes out of there that goes through the wall out there, and then it attaches to a plug-in up on the back corner of this building up here. I'm not going to focus on that too much because my non-professional wiring is showing. And then it comes down to there, and it's plugged into that. And that's plugged into the battery tender and the light over there, and this is plugged into a switch right here. And that's all you're going to get to see of that, because like I said, a neat electrician can make wiring something look like a work of art. And that's why I'm not an electrician. But I can generally make power go where I want it to go. I don't think I burnt down more than 1 or 2 houses so far, so we're doing okay. Okay? Okay.